Hello everyone, we are Visionary Victors from PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 Sagar. We are 5 members in our team. I, Ashish Agarwal, Athar Prajapati, Ayush Misra, Kartik Dubey and Prastuti Pateria. Our mentor is Simant Padesi Sir. Our theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now for further information, my friend Prastuti will brief you.
Self-healing concrete that absorbs CO2 from the air. Revolutionary sustainable infrastructure material combining automatic crack repair with atmospheric carbon capture. The problem, concrete's hidden crisis, is structural vulnerability. Conventional concrete cracks from stress, temperature, fluctuation, and weather exposure, compromising safety and durability. Expensive repair. Repairing damaged infrastructure is labor extensive and costly, diverting resources from new sustainable projects. Climate impact. Concrete production generates approximately 8% of global CO2 emissions, one of the largest industrial sources of greenhouse gases. We face an urgent challenge. Construction materials that degrade rapidly require constant repair and accelerate climate change. This creates a critical need for durable, cost-effective and environmentally responsible alternative. Now, for further information, my friend Athar Prajapati will brief you.
The innovation self-healing carbon capturing concrete. How it works. Self-healing concrete use immediate bacteria or specialized chemical agents that activate when water or air penetrates cracks. These agents trigger calcium carbonate formation, which seals fractures naturally. Advanced CO2 curing and added limestone help concrete absorb carbon dioxide from the air and turn it into solid minerals that make it strong. Now for further information, my friend Ayush will believe you.
Impact: environment, people, and economics. Reduced emissions. Captures atmospheric CO2, offsetting production, carbon, and supporting climate goals. Resilient cities. Enables development of climate positive urban environments that actively improve air quality and sustainability. Economic savings. Reduced life cycle cost make green construction competitive, attracting sustainable infrastructure investment. Lower maintenance. Automatic repairs eliminate costly labor intensive maintenance cycle and resource consumption. Extend lifespan. Enhanced durability increases infrastructure longevity, reducing replacement frequency and waste. Improved safety. Self-healing capability prevents crack and propagation, maintaining structural integrity and occupant safety. Now, for further information, my friend Karthik will brief you.
The future self-healing. Self-healing CO2 absorbing concrete represents a paradigm shift in construction engineering. By combining automatic crack repair with atmospheric carbon capture, this material addresses three critical challenges simultaneously: infrastructure, durability, environment impact, and economic efficiency. Using this technology makes city building safer, greener, and cheaper, while helping construction meet global sustainability goals. This isn't just a small improvement; it's a major innovation that lets our building help the environment instead of harming it. Thank you.